Tennessee has surpassed a slew of new pandemic records. According to the State Department of Health, children account for 40% of all COVID-19 cases, and pediatric COVID hospitalizations continue to rise. Now, parents say they're getting some mixed messages from state leaders. News 2's Gerald Harris is live at the state capitol tonight to explain. Gerald.
Yeah, parents in some school districts have expressed some confusion over the new state guidelines, but at this point, mask requirements are unlikely even as schools continue to close.
Earlier this summer, Speaker of the House Cameron Sexton was one of the first and loudest voices calling for a special session to ban mask mandates in Tennessee schools. As of Thursday, however, his tune has changed.
The governor's executive order, which I think was the right direction to allow parents to be in charge of their child's health care choices. I think the school board has the opportunity to come up with their own quarantine guidelines if that's what they want to do. The state and the federal guidelines are just recommendations.
Governor Bill Lee's executive order allowing parents to opt their children out of school mask mandates has come under the microscope as thousands of students are missing out of in-person learning due to the spread of COVID-19.
There's parents who are a little upset about not knowing what this year's going to look like, and I think that's what you've seen across the state.
All of our students, 1 million of them across the state of Tennessee, are starting the school years right now.
But as cases grow and schools close, Education Commissioner Penny SCHWINN is hearing from frustrated parents. One parent writing under the Facebook video, "Our family has been very, very careful for 536 days of the pandemic and counting. It only took 8 days of in-person school for my child to be exposed to COVID in his classroom."
Has the waiver process been clear enough for students?
Thank you.
Commissioner SCHWINN declined to answer questions regarding the confusion some districts are having.
The state has failed school children across the state of Tennessee. We're getting no leadership from the governor. We're getting mixed messages from the Commissioner of Education.
Nashville Representative John Ray Clemmons, a Democrat, says the current plan is not working.
COVID is still a reality. The Delta variant makes it even more threatening. And, I'm sure there will be other things that will compound that. But when you don't take appropriate steps and make the affirmative action necessary to protect our children's health and education, we're going to continue to see this play out in a very concerning manner across the state of Tennessee in every classroom.
And now kids under 12 are not eligible for a vaccine at this time, and it's important to note that between the ages of 12 to 20 that the state keeps track of their vaccination status, that only accounts for about 8% of the total vaccinated population. Reporting in downtown Nashville, Gerald Harris, News 2.